Hello friends, now start folding this paper in this pattern. Now after you are done with the folding, you have to draw with these two little eyes, and on the top you have to attach this. Now take circles like this and place them all together. After placing them in this position, what we are going to make? Yes, a bee is going to be made. Simply place eyes and then you can just make the face of this bee like this. Now you can see that how this balloon is being converted into a very desirable product. Simply just brush this sheet and then attach this floral sheets and this leaves on this balloon. After doing this, you have to cut this balloon and you have to take this sheet into it. See how the imprints are being made and how this lighting lamp looks great. Make this on a white sheet. After that, outline it with a black marker. Use different colors for coloring it and place it on a cardboard. Cut it, and after cutting it, simply you have to place these coins on it and see how perfectly he is dancing. Take a glass and cut it into shapes like this. After cutting it, you simply have to cut this shape and place it on the top of the glass. Well, this trophy looks very great. Cut this sheet or fold this sheet into this manner. After folding it, you have to see that how these watery layers are to be made along with the fish appearance. Add some bubbles and your sea sight has been done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.